Yo, it's good chat back with another video. Today's Saturday, so there's no trading, but I'm gonna use today to go over this week and go over what I could have done better because this week was not my best week at all. I 100% could have done way better. So, yeah, I'm just gonna go over my mistakes and learn from them so I don't make these same mistakes again in the future. So, yeah, first off, Thursday, was this my only trade this week? No, it wasn't. Okay, so I need to go to Wednesday actually too. But so boom, Thursday, the trade was not bad at all. Unfold 5 minute, tons of buy side liquidity, equalize, 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 equalize up here as well. Um, All time highs, so longs look good. 1 minute inverse with insane momentum. Reacting off hourly gap looks really clean. But my mistake was simply I did not move break even. I got greedy. I wanted to win this because I wanted a payout, so I did not move break even. Which literally cost me. I lost on a winning trade. My trades the past like 2 months have all been perfect, but this execution error just cost me. And it's not even like, okay, I mean, I can only blame myself here, but it's also just unfortunate because I was like waiting to see the reaction to this high. I was trailing. I was planning on moving break even at this high is what pains me. Like I wanted to see the reaction to it. I was literally trailing my stop loss as we were like going down a little bit, but then boom, we just dumped to here just like that. So I almost just closed my position then and there since I didn't want to take a loss on this, but I figured I wanted to see us go back up a little to close that break even, but we did not do that and went straight to my stop loss unfortunately. So that really sucks, man. It was definitely my fault. As soon as we hit this unfold 5 minute right here, I should boom move break even. But it's just unfortunate, man, because I wanted to see the reaction to this high, but then we just dumped straight down, which is so weird to see. But man, I mean that is unlucky. I can't even lie, but it's not unlucky because I should just move break even instantly. Like this shit always happens to me. Okay, I can't be playing the victim, but yeah. So boom here. What I could do in the future to prevent this is right away mark out a place where I'm moving break even. Right when I enter the trade, I should be figuring out where I'm moving break even, and then once it gets it, boom, move break even. 100% should have been break even here. Unfold 5 minute was like equal highs. Maybe no, not equal highs. It was unfold 5 minute was like an internal high. Um, and yeah, it was definitely a good break even point, but I took too long to move break even pretty much, so that cost me. But yeah, in the future, I need to scout out where I'm moving break even. Once it's hit, boom, move break even. And the only reason I should not move break even is if there's equal highs. If there's like equal highs we're right next to, data highs we're right next to, or low resistance equate we're right next to. It's the only reason I should not be going break even this early. But yeah. So boom, figured this one out. It was a good trade, good everything. Just execution error. Really shouldn't be break even. Yeah, let's go to Wednesday. Wednesday was just a normal loss. I'm still sort of upset about. I mean, I'm not really that upset about this loss. Um, it was a very small loss. Um, but the thing was, I wasn't even planning on taking it until the last second because, like, we could easily inverse this 1 minute right here and then still continue higher. Is the thing. But I was planning on originally. Where are we at? So this was where I took the 1 minute. What I was originally planning on was taking just waiting for this 3 minute because if we inverse this 3 minute, this we're 100% going down. Like there should be no reason we inverse this 3 minute to equal lows, London lows, Asia lows, all these lows, and then just go up. So I was originally just gonna take this 3 minute, but uh, unfortunately, last second I decided I'd scale in a little bit here. I don't think it was a bad scaling. Like, I was very bearish today. My bias was pretty strong. That's the reason I did scale in here, because I was fairly confident in shorts. So it was more like discretion than anything. Like, mechanically, this doesn't look like that good, but discretionally, I thought we were really bearish, so I thought it was good. I scaled in, and then I'm not even gonna lie, I moved break even whenever we went like down here, but then once we came back up, I hired my stop. So yeah, it's pretty rough. Back to back execution errors, I guess you could say. I mean, there's no reason to move break even here, but like I like I probably should have, since we just like shouldn't stall here. Because there's just no reason to go higher. But yeah, unfortunate. Took a small loss here. Was a good trade. Was a decent trade. I'd say it was like a. It was like an A plus trade, but not like an A plus plus trade. If you know what I'm saying, I usually just wait for the A plus plus trades, which would have been this 3 minute. But yeah. So today was just a normal loss. Nothing to be too mad about. And then the other loss should have been a break even. So just execution error. But yeah, losing weeks do happen. Losing days do happen. This is my first losing week in like a month. So nothing to get too upset over. Losses happen. Um, yeah, even profitable traders make stupid execution errors every once in a while. So just can't let this happen again. Just got to trade like a robot. Just trade like a robot pretty much. Whenever I see high gets hit, boom, move break even. I don't care if it hits stop loss or take profit. It's what I'm supposed to do. It's my model. So yeah. But on the bright side, I'm happy with the trades I'm taking still. It's just simply that stupid execution error that's selling me. So yeah, man. Um, so yeah, moving forward. Yeah, this loss was fairly small too compared to my wins. My wins are like 600. I think my average wins probably like 600, and this was like a 500. Yeah, like a $480 loss, and the other loss is like a $200, not 200, like a $280 loss. So keeping the losses relatively small considering I average like one arm. But but yeah, moving forward, I'll probably risk like 500 since these market conditions are just not it. 5 to 600, that is, since these market conditions are pretty bad. Uh, yeah, man, just gonna lock in on this top step. Also, to help me with my emotions, I also like blurred out my account balance and all that stuff so that I'm not focused on the money, because that's part of the reason why I didn't move break even. I think because I was focused on that payout, I was focused on the money. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna wrap the video up here. I'm trying to think about trading this whole weekend because I think I got it, man. I just need to keep going. Just need to be consistent with not doing bad things. That's literally what you need to do to be a profitable trader. Just consistently not do stupid things. Just consistently follow rules. So yeah, let's get wrap up the video. If you made it till the end, comment October, and yeah, feel free to join my free Discord. The link is in my YouTube bio. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.